Hello everybody, good evening and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Chimex here again, and yep, it's been a minute. I know I don't did this step about America passport and all those things. Yeah, the last video, it wasn't for me. The passport wasn't for me, it was for mom, and she's back. She's back from the US, and I got a few goodies right here that she brought for me, and we're going to be unboxing this together. Yeah. So what should we start with? Let's go with this first. All right, so let's see what we have right here. So right here we have my body lotion. Let me show you guys what body lotion I use. Yeah, so I'm bringing you guys to my world so you guys can see what body lotion I use. Yes, I use Medix 5.5. So this is the body lotion I use. This is vitamin C plus turmeric, Medix 5.5. Then here we have Medix 5.5 glycolic plus lactic acid. This is a body wash. Then right here we have Medix 20% vitamin F barrier booster serum. So this skincare combination, Medix, this is what I use to have my radiant soft body. Yep. So what's next from that plastic? We have my sandals from Asos. For those of you who know me, you all know I have this already. I've been using these sandals for the past 5 years, no jokes, and the original version of this is bad, so I had to replace it. I got the same type. I'll put it on the screen if I can make time for that. So this is a brand new one. It helps me a lot, and it's very, very, very solid. I call it my knockabout Jesus sandals. This is my knockabout sandals. I basically go everywhere with these sandals. It serves like through the tough times and good times, so it's only right I replace it. The other one is old but still intact and still serves the purpose. I felt like it's time for a replacement, and these bad boys right here come in handy. So that's it about that plastic. Let's go with this. So right here we have, guess. I have a charger from Apple, phone case from Apple. So you guys have a clue of what's inside. Here. Cordon from Apple, and finally a new phone, but this is used from Best Buy. They call this open box, so this is from Best Buy, still pretty much sparkling clean like brand new. So this is the iPhone 14 Pro Max, 512 gigabytes. I'm suffering so much when it comes to space, and given the new line of business which I'm into, which is content creation, I need this bad boy to help me take killer videos for your events, weddings, whatever it is. So this is the iPhone 14 Pro Max. As you can see, it's pretty clean, pretty brand new. Open box from Best Buy. Yeah, the other phone is still here. This is my old boy. What am I going to do with it? I'll keep it. I'll be using both of them. And I still have another phone right here, Note 9. So presently I have 3 phones: Note 9, 12, 14 Pro Max. or more. Choke. So yeah, let me just preserve, like, where's the case? No one here see phone for them broke. eSIM. Guys, so this is going to enter. Hope this will fit though. So I have to go now and start doing eSIM things. I don't know if it's possible with Cameroon, MTN Orange. I hope so. Yeah, the new baby, the bad boy, fully protected. So I'll go to the MTN office tomorrow and see if I can get the eSIM for this man. Crispy. Okay, so that's that about that. Okay, then we still have chewing gums. So if anybody that knows me, you know I'm like a champion when it comes to fresh breath. So I always have to have these with me, you get. So we have 4. It comes in a pack, but I've given away 3. 6 in the pack, but I've given away 3, and I'm left with 3 and 1 Trident. So yeah. Then what next? Oh, there's also a watch, but I'll come to that later. So this is a beautiful gown which I got from my mom. Check this out. She will love it. So that's that about that. Then this was gifted to me by a friend, Mr. Brian. Thank you so much. It's a smartwatch. He told me, Chimex, you need to watch your weight. I don't know what are the fat na fat or the but he told me, Chimex, you need to watch your weight. I bought you this so you can watch your steps and exercise. So thank you, my brother. Thank you so much, big bro. So yeah, smartwatch. All right, then that's that about that plastic. What next? Boom, boom. I think this should be the last plastic. If you know me, you know I love popcorn a lot. So these are popcorns. So these are popcorns from America. They are my favorite brand. Orville Rhythm Berkshire, whatever. So I love popcorn, so I always get them whenever mommy goes to the United States. She brings them for me. What else? Sunscreen, very important, especially for the face. This is Sun Face 50. This is for the face. Sun bomb. The sun in Yaoundé, Douala is so bad, so I needed that. Then right here we have Camille Rochelle Kunak Haze Poom. Yes, 100 milliliters. If you know this brand, you're a big boy. You know this brand, you're a big boy. So that's the new acquisition. No more Gucci, Tom Ford, Aqua di Gio, PDMS. Nah, we go for the subtle luxury. So yes, that's that about that. And yeah, we have t-shirts, 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 t-shirts. Asos is one of my favorite shopping store, but when I go to Asos, I always buy Jack and Jones. t-shirts from Jack and Jones. Like, they have a very good quality. Asos t-shirts doesn't have that really good crispy quality that I love. So Jack and Jones does the job for me. So I shop on Asos a lot, like a lot. For t-shirts, I don't get t-shirts from here. I get my t-shirts from Asos, and they really have good unique style of t-shirts you can't find anywhere else. You can't find on anybody. It's very rare that you see Asos t-shirts on another person in Cameroon. So I always get my stuff from there, and they have pretty unique stuff as well. So these t-shirts are all from Asos. Yeah, that's pretty much it about the unboxing. I don't know if I've missed everything. I don't know if I've missed anything out. So that was I just came home and I'm like, it's contents. Let me just put it out there and film. You know, one is going dry of contents these days, so we have to do whatever it is to pay the bills, and so whatever content we come across, we try to shoot it. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions regarding these purchases, how you can get them while in Cameroon, send me a DM. Just comment down below and I will tell you how to do that. But start by getting a credit card. No, but start by getting a prepaid card. Yeah, for all your online shoppings. So yes, that's it about this video. See you guys on the next one. This is your boy Chimex, and I'm out. Peace.